gonna give this girl a feed. Got her just a cricket, large adult female. Looks like she's hungry. There we go. There's her leg she nibbled off. Not affecting her at all. Well, obviously it will be affect. That's a stupid thing to say. Of course it's going to affect her. She's missing a bloody back leg, but as you've just seen there, it's not stopping her. It's not stopping her catching her own food if need be. Just struggling getting a good bloody view, really. A bit bright that as well, isn't it? Yeah, she's tucking into that without a problem, which I'm really happy about. I'm happy that she's still eating. I mean, she's not ready to give up yet, which is phenomenal for me. Obviously, I wouldn't want it to carry. Well, she bloody wouldn't anyway. But I'd not want it to carry on if she were in any sort of pain or out. But she's that doesn't look right appetising. But no, she were hungry for that. She were moving towards it. Proper stunning girl. Absolutely gorgeous. Is that nice stunning, eh? Is that nice? Not like she's killed it yet, which is obviously not too clever for cricket. But I don't think it'll be kicking for so long, to be fair. She's more to in her way through it. Try and get her Dyson neck. Just reminds me of a tubing at Dyson. There's that neck, I don't know. Well, I'll let her get on with it. I've bugged her enough. No pun intended.